In this video, I will be showing you how to cut an image in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll click on Create a Design and select a custom size to open up my workspace. Once the canvas is ready, I'll head over to the Photos tab to find an image to work with. I'll select this photo of a coffee cup and right-click it to set it as the background of my page. Now I'll go to the Apps section in the side menu and search for the Choppy Crop tool. After opening the app, I'll click on my image to select it and then choose the freehand tool. I'll click Start Cropping and then begin drawing a path around the edges of the coffee cup. I'm just going to trace all the way around the saucer and the cup to define exactly what I want to keep. Once the outline is complete, I'll click Apply Crop to remove the background. Finally, I'll right-click the new image to detach it from the background so I can resize it and move it anywhere on my canvas. And that is how you easily cut out an image for your designs in Canva.